Let's focus on unpacking the SECRUI doorbell. I'm not sure how this is spelled, SECRUI or SECRUI, but it looks like it's promising. Cool. Okay, let's open the package again. So this specific model has multiple sounds. It's a wireless. It has a colorful light indicator, and more specifically for my case, I needed a bell with two buttons. I have two front doors and I need to be able to hook it up to the both doors. Let's see the details. So SECRUI, it works with 100 to 40 volts. Basically, you can hook it in every outlet around the house. 5 adjustable levels on volume. The operational range is 300 meters in open area. Just keep in mind that the doorbell usually it's been installed in the house, and probably that range will be reduced. And the wireless range is 1000 feet, which is good enough for even big house to be able to install the doorbell and to work pretty much everywhere around your house. Cool. Let's focus now on what's inside the package. So we have a menu. Apparently we need to go over it very quickly, but for this video I'm not going to read this menu now. We are not in a reading class at the moment. What we have here, so we have the bell, basically small one. You can install it pretty much everywhere in the house. Just you have to hook it up to the outlet. Good enough. Okay, and we have two buttons. Let's see what we have here. We have small button, not so big, for 4 fingers. Let's see what the button says behind it. So apparently this button works on a lithium battery, which will hold for quite a while, at least few years. The model is CR2032. Not so expensive. If you have to replace it. Usually five batteries cost around $5-6. Not so expensive. Made in China. Nothing unusual, and specifically that button comes with a battery, so apparently don't need to buy and install new ones to make it work. And again, this one comes with 2 buttons, and that's why I got it. I need 2 buttons for 2 doors. And what else is here? Let's see. We have some screws if we want to screw it to the door, and we have tapes. So those tapes I assume are double glued, so basically one of them is being glued to the door and the other one will be glued to the actual button, and it looks like they are the same size as the door bell button, so convenient. It will be convenient installation and easy based on what I see so far.